Hey there, are you tired of dealing with annoying flickers on your monitor screen? This week we're going to dive into how to fix LG monitor flickering and get you back to enjoying a crisp, clear display. Whether you're working, gaming, or streaming your favorite shows, a smooth visual experience is essential. In this guide, we'll break down simple solutions to keep your screen steady and your frustration at bay. Step 1. Check cable connection. The first step in how to fix LG monitor flickering is to ensure all your connections are secure. Loose or faulty cables are often culprits behind flickering screens. Start by turning off your monitor and checking the HDMI or DisplayPort cables connected to it. Ensure they are securely fastened in their respective ports. If you notice any wear or damage, consider replacing the cables. Reconnect everything and power your monitor back on to see if the flickering stops. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can lead to display issues, including flickering. To fix LG monitor flickering, updating your graphics card drivers is essential. Start by identifying the make and model of your graphics card. Visit the manufacturer's website, such as NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your system. Follow the installation instructions, restart your computer, and check if the monitor flickering persists. Step 3. Adjust refresh rate setting. Another crucial step in resolving flickering issues is adjusting the refresh rate of your monitor. The refresh rate is how often your monitor updates with new information each second. To fix LG monitor flickering, simply right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. From there, navigate to Advanced Display Settings and ensure your monitor's refresh rate is set to the recommended setting, typically 60 Hz or higher. Apply the changes and observe if the flickering continues. Step 4. Test with another device. If the issue persists, it's time to eliminate external factors. Connect your LG monitor to a different computer or laptop to see if it continues to flicker. If the monitor works fine with another device, the problem may lie with your original computer's hardware or software setting. Conversely, if the flickering continues with new device, the monitor itself might have a hardware fault requiring further attention or professional repair. Step 5. Reduce electrical interference. Interference from nearby electronic devices or poor electrical grounds can cause your monitor to flicker. To fix LG monitor flickering, relocate any devices or electrical equipment that might be close to your monitor, such as speakers or radios. Additionally, try plugging your monitor into a different power outlet to see if the flickering stops. Using a quality surge protector can also help to stabilize the power supply to your monitor. There you have it, a complete guide on how to fix LG monitor flickering. From simple cable checks to diving into settings, these steps should help restore your monitor's perfect. Remember, taking a systematic approach can quickly identify the root cause of the problem. Should issues persist, consulting a professional technician might be the best course of action. Now, get back to enjoying your clear, flicker-free screen.